It's me, Duck Waffle. Smack. In Angry. I don't know the next name. Angry Gladio.
No, just yeah.
You can just dodge.
Let him start running at you, then you just move sideways. Look at this guy stuck on the table. Look at his leg.
You there?
His leg.
Breaking
Out
news,
there.
there's a missing Slenderman on the loose. Beware. Oh! We found him, guys! Because I found him.
Who's though?
Huh?
Where's he going? There's nobody up here.
Just press him.
Are you recording?
Yes.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what was that?
He's
Where you
dead. And she's not dead. Oh, look who's here. Hurry. Run! Run! She survived the snail.
I forgot.
He's dead. She's not dead. She's not dead. And Smacky is back.
Made it back.
Here, there's the flashlight again if you guys wanted to. Got any words?
No.